I am here as a math teacher of class 4. Today I am here with the topic geometry. I think all you are familiar with the word geometry as you have used the geometry box during your studies. Do you know what the geometry box contains? It contains scales, protectors, set squares, compass, and that's all, and many more things. What are those instruments? They are of different shape, size, and measurements. So geometry is all about shape, size, and measurement. Before entering in the topic geometry, we must learn some basic points of geometry. So I am here with it. Let's start. The first number is a point. A point. It's very simple. The point is a dot. You can make a dot while writing. At first you can make a dot. This dot is simply a point. If you name it A, the name of the point will become point A. Now in the second number there is line segment. Line segment. What is meant by line segment? Can you tell me? Okay, I will tell you. Line segment is a type of line which has fixed length. Line segment has a fixed length. Its origin and the end point are fixed, and it cannot be extended from any sides. It cannot be extended from its any end. So in 3 number, here comes the straight line. Here line and line segment, straight line and line segment, I have written it together so that I could explain you the difference between line and the line segment. Straight line. Straight line is just, you can say straight line is just the opposite of line segment. Line segment cannot be extended, but straight line can be extended from both of its ends. It do not have fixed length. We can extend it from the both ends. It is the difference between line segment and the straight line. Line segment cannot be extended, but a straight line can be extended. Now comes the ray. On the 4th point, ray. I think you are familiar with the word sun rays. What does the sun rays means? Sun rays is the light or the rays coming from the sun. Where does it originate? It originates from the sun, the only fixed point. Sun rays originate with the fixed point. That is, the line which originates at the fixed point and do not have any end or can be extended is called the ray. I hope you have understood point, line segment, straight line, and ray. Now let's learn about curve. The zigzag line you draw is called the curve. There are 2 types of curve. They are closed curve and open curve. The curve whose end point and with the origin point and end point meet at the same point is called the closed curve, and the curve which starting point and end point do not meet is called the open curve. So students, let's get into the exercise now. Now can you tell me, can you identify the pictures here? Okay, what is the first picture here? AB. What is this AB? Yes, obviously this is a straight line because it can be extended from its either sides. Now can you tell me what is this? Yes, definitely. This is a point. It is a dot, so it can be named as a point A. Now, what is this, my dear students? This is a ray because it has fixed origin and it do not have any end. It can be extended to any point. Now, this one. Yes, this is a line segment. It can be extended from, it cannot be extended. It has fixed length. Here MN is a line segment. Again, AB is a straight line. This dot A is a point A, and PQ is a ray, and a line segment. Now, the heart of the geometry. The next topic is the heart of the geometry, that is angles. Do you know what is mean by angles? Simply, you can understand angle as a corner. When two rays meet at a point, at a common point, it forms the angle. The space between the two rays is called angle. Simply, we can define angles as a space between the two rays meeting at a common point called vertex. Normally, we can categorize angle into three parts. Angle contains three parts. They are arms, vertex, and the angle. Okay? Now, here AO and OB are the arms of the angle. Do you know what is mean by arm? What does an arm mean? Your hand. Look here. Which picture seems to be like a hand? This AO and OB. Hence, this AO and OB are the arms of angle AOB. And which is the vertex? The common point where those lines have met. The common point is O. So, the vertex of the angle is O. Now, I will tell you how to write the name of angle. Name of angle can be written in two ways, either from this end or from next end. But we have to keep the vertex in the middle. So, what is the name of the angle? How can we name this angle? Can you tell? Yes, BOA or AOB. Good. Now, I will describe you about the types of angle. There are 5 types. There are 6 types of angle normally. So, for you, this complete angle is not included in your course. It will be taught in your higher classes. So, let's start from this acute angle. What is acute angle? Do you know what is the meaning of acute? Acute means small one, the smaller one. So, the angle which is less than 90 degree, it's called the acute angle. And now let's go to right angle. Right. What is the meaning of right again? Right means correct, exact. So, with the angle which is exactly 90 degree is defined as the right angle. It has, basically we can identify right angle by looking at shape. It seems to be the L letter of English alphabet. And here comes the obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is the angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. That type of angle is called obtuse angle. While seeing here, the two arms seems to move away from each other. So, we can identify the obtuse angle by looking at it. If these two arms are moving away from each other, then it is a obtuse angle. Now, straight angle. Straight. What is meant by straight? It's called Sida in Nepali. If two lines meets and forms a straight line, we can tell that is a straight angle. Straight angle is the angle whose measure is exactly 180 degree. The angle whose measure is exactly 180 degree can be defined as straight angle. To identify the straight angle, we can just see its structure. We can just see its structure. If it seems to be a straight line, then it is a straight angle. Now, here comes the reflex angle. My dear students, reflex angle sometimes seems to be obtuse angle, sometimes seems to be acute angle. But what is the difference? Can you find the difference in this reflex and any other angle? Yes, in other angle, the symbol of angle is given from the inside of the arms, but in reflex angle, it is given outside of its arms. So, we can identify reflex angle by seeing its structure. If the angle, symbol of angle is given from inside, it is called acute or obtuse according to its arms, but if it is given from outside, it is called the reflex angle. Reflex angle is the angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Complete angle, I will introduce you complete angle here as well, though it's not required. Complete angle, the angle which is exactly 360 degree and forms the shape of circle, it is called the complete angle. Here, OA is a ray and OB is the next ray. They have met at the same point O, but the angle is seen in the form of circle. So it has made the complete turn. Now, let's get into the exercise. Can you tell me which angle are those? 45. Which angle it might be? Yes, acute angle. Why? Because it is less than 90 degree. Okay, very good. Now here comes 135. What is the which angle can it be? Yes, it is obtuse angle because it is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Now here comes 90. Which angle is the 90 degree? Yes? Yes, right angle. Right, because it is exactly 90 degree. The angle which is exactly 90 degree is called the right angle. Okay? Which type of angle is this 270? Reflex angle, very good. Reflex angle because it is greater than 180 and less than 360 degree. Now 180 is the straight angle. Now can you recognize these figures? Yes, it seems to, these arms seems closer to each other, tilted towards each other. So it's a acute angle. And here AO and OB, these arms are moving away from each other. They are called obtuse angle. Look, here AO and OB has made a straight line. Which type of angle is this? Yes, straight angle. Okay, and here is the sharp L-shaped structure of angle. Which angle is this? Please have a look here. Good, right angle. Now, here, can you identify this angle? It seems to be acute angle, right? No, it's a reflex angle. Why? Because the symbol of angle is given from the outside of the arms. Okay, students, this much for today. I have given you some homeworks here. Write the types of angles with figure in a chart paper. This much for today, my dear students. We will meet in the next video with a new topic. Stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.